I'm here at the NOLA Motorsports Park in Avondale, Louisiana, where members of the Louisiana National Guard got to ride with professional drivers around the track at speeds up to 100 miles an hour. The National Guard is one of the main sponsors for this team. Like soldiers, these drivers prepare year-round for these high-speed events. What are you expecting today to happen?
I'm expecting to ride really fast and have a great time. Show me what you got.
Again, Captain Kagalati here with Special Alexander, Louisiana National Guard, and we're getting ready to do the 12 rides.
How we doing? We gotta go fast, all right?
All right. Are you guys
I just got off of a superbike going at top speed, wheelies, turns, just full out adrenaline blast. I loved it. There's like nothing that you can actually use to even compare it to. There's no explanation for it. It's just, it was a wild ride.
Victory podium for National Guard SuperBike.
How you doing, National Guard? Wish you guys were here, but thanks for supporting us. Thanks for keeping us safe so we can have a place to play.
Saturday,